If you're able to download a photo or image, you can make money online. It doesn't matter where you guys at. Hey, hello, my name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, consider subscribing to this channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial of how you can actually earn money. Yep, it doesn't matter where you guys at, as long as you have a computer and you have an internet connection, you can make money online. This is 100% free. There is no experience required. There is no technical knowledge required. Okay, so if you are looking, to earn some extra cash, this is definitely for you. Okay, if you have a really strong commitment with yourself, you can do this and you can replace your full-time job. If you guys want to discover what's my number one recommendation so you can learn how you can actually make money while you travel, while you sleep, I'm going to leave a link below. That's going to be the very first link in the description. Now, let me show you everything step by step. This requires you to put the hours, okay? But you can earn good money if you decide to do it. Okay, first of all, we're going to be using a website that is called Crello. So you're going to go to crello.com. Okay, and this is a website in which you guys can do different kind of designs. For example, you can create Instagram posts, Facebook posts, videos for Instagram. You can create posters. You can create mind maps. Okay, you can create logos. Okay, you name it. You have different options here. Okay, so if you're ready to join, you're gonna click where it says sign up. Okay, just in case that you guys are wondering, like, Diana, do we need to pay something? As I mentioned before, no, this is 100% free. So we have the starter plan and we have the pro plan. Okay, right now the starter plan, which is the one that we're going to be using, is 100% free. It's actually zero. There is no monthly fee. And the pro plan is actually $10 per month. What's the difference between one or the other? Well, the first one includes 50,000 design templates. The second one includes 50 millions. Okay, you're gonna have 1 million created assets. You're gonna be able to create a branding kit with colors, logos, fonts. You can remove backgrounds. You can use free fonts. You can actually add background, add animation, and there is a storage space of 10 gigabytes. And trust me, guys, that's a lot. Okay, with the other one, you can have a team account. It's unlimited storage, but we can go with the starter one. So once you're ready, you're gonna join, and it's gonna ask you your email and your password. My suggestion is always, guys, create a separate email address so you know that whenever you receive a notification on at that email address is just related with your work. Okay, it's just related to your work that you're actually doing online, so you're not gonna miss notifications with your personal email address. Okay, so once you're ready, you're gonna have the opportunity to design. This is a drag and drop experience. Okay, you can click it and you are going to be able to design really easy. Okay, chances are that right now you notice how it is, and you're wondering, like, okay, Diana, but how can I sell this? Okay, how can I earn money with this? Okay, I'm going to show you two options, but if you are actually enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. It's going to be helping my channel. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, consider subscribing. Okay, so we're going to be using another website that is called Latium. So you're going to go to latium.org. This website is really similar to Fiverr, which is another website that I usually suggest on this channel, in which you are going to be able to, find opportunities in which you are going to be offering your service as a freelancer. The thing with Fiverr right now is that sometimes for certain, services, it can be saturated. So this is a good alternative, and people are willing to pay more money on this platform as well. So You are not going to be the one who is hiring, but they have the opportunity to find the perfect freelancer in under 10 minutes. You are actually going to join here by clicking I want to be a worker. Again, they're going to ask you your first name, your last name, a valid email address. Okay, are you going to be ready to go? You are going to have the opportunity to be part of different projects. Okay, you can browse by newest, you can browse by most active. I don't suggest you guys to go with most active because that means that there's a lot of people who are putting, offers there. Okay, so I always suggest you to go with newest or go with the topic that you're interested. For example, you can go with graphic and designs, website and surveys and softwares, audio and music, video animation, translation and languages, usability testing, cryptocurrencies, data entry. You can be a writer, you can be a sales or in charge with sales and marketing. You can be, an engineer or others. So for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna go with graphic and design. But if you guys have other skills, for example, you speak more than one language, you can be a translator. If you have some kind of experience, as a data entry of that's something that you enjoy, you can be doing that as well. If you have, experience, editing sounds, creating music, you can go on that as well. But for the purpose of the video, again, we are gonna be going with graphic and designs. Okay, so let me show you. First things first is that you can get paid with several payment methods. You can choose what's going to be your payment coin. Okay, you can get paid with USD, with Latium coin, with crypto.com, with Tether. You can go with Ethereum, Bitcoin. Okay, how do you want to get paid? Okay, chances are that they have the opportunity here. Also, my suggestion is always sort by the newest. Okay, so that's actually my suggestion. Okay, how do you want to get paid and which are the newest one? Because the newest, that means that there are actually people who just put, or they are actually seeking for a freelancer and they haven't found it yet. Okay, so example, we have this guy or girl who is looking to have a logo, and it's going to be a two-color logo. It's going to be really simple, and they're willing to pay between $5 to $30 per project. Okay, and they're going to be paying in USD, which is United States dollars. But we have another one, which is this is actually niche related. It's an accounting focused logo. It's going to be a rework needed, and they're willing to pay between 100 to 150, and it's going to get paid in Ethereum. Okay, so you're going to see that you have like 3D logos. For example, this guy is willing to pay between 1,000 and 2,500. Okay, so there are going to be several people there who have different needs, and remember that you can design really cool stuff on Crello.com. Once you find a project that you are looking to work in, you are gonna actually see the brief. Okay, for example, this is a verified user. My suggestion is go to verified users, because that means that the platform knows who they are. They already double check their identity with their email and everything. So they're willing to pay between 50 and 125, and it's going to be on dollars. Okay, this is going to be a logo design. Okay, you are going to place your bid. So how much money are you going to be charging them? Okay, and how soon you can complete the project. Okay, this is a commitment, guys. Okay, so if you know that you can have this ready or done by tomorrow, go ahead and do it. If you need more time, go ahead and do it. My suggestion is always put a message, okay, highlighting your qualifications as a designer, like, okay, I want, or I'm gonna be offering you this logo. Okay, and this is something that I'm suggesting you as a designer as well. Like, okay, and you're gonna have this logo. Okay, I'm gonna deliver it to you on PNG, JPEG, PDF. Everything is gonna be done on Crello. You're gonna see how it's actually gonna look like. Okay, because I'm gonna put it like on different mockups. and that increases the value because they are going to have the opportunity to see how their logo is going to look like. Here is a little brief, like, okay, they're looking for a colorful, playful, refresh color design. Please send a portfolio to me to review it. So you can put the portfolio here in the message. If you have all your products or other projects, sorry, and for some reason, like, okay, this person is like, okay, I have these two options for you, and they decide like, okay, I want to go with this option, but you enjoy the others, you can always add all of them to your portfolio. Okay, it's going to be simple logo needed. It's going to be used in different, marketing materials or strategies. Okay, they wanted to have three colors, not something complex or shady. Okay, okay, yeah, for product placement printing, I was thinking about this because they don't want something complex. Okay, open to a variety of styles, but looking for efficient, quick freelancer for the project. So chances are that he wants someone who can deliver the product tomorrow or in the next 2 days. Okay, so where the logo is gonna be using in the web, print, and products. Okay, so you can actually bid and you're gonna be ready to go. So another way in which you can offer this, you can go to Instagram and you can find niche accounts. You can offer them like, okay, if you decide I can create, because you already noticed that on Corello, like I can create different posts for you, right? So you can add it on your Instagram feed or Instagram stories, and these are actually my prices. Okay, these are actually my prices. If you want to buy just one piece, it's going to be X amount. If you have one, you can buy a package like 20 designs, or you can go with, the monthly plan. Let's say that your monthly plan is going to be $150 and you're going to be doing one or two designs per day. Okay, if you find four customers that are going to be paying you $150 flat fee, like you're going to be earning $600 per month. Okay, so again, there are several ways in which you guys can make money online. If you want to know, or if you are ready to discover what's my number one recommendation to make money online, I'm going to leave the link below. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Considering sharing this video, subscribe to this channel, and I see you on the next video.